What's happening, tech fans? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere. First up, could TikTok be on the verge of a massive ownership change? Reports are swirling that Oracle, Silver Lake, and Andreessen Horowitz are in final talks to buy the US version of the incredibly popular app. This comes at a critical time, with a looming deadline that could see TikTok banned in the United States if a deal isn't struck. We're diving deep into what this potential acquisition means for the future of social media and your favorite short-form videos. Next, we're talking about the players involved in that potential TikTok deal. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that Oracle, Silver Lake, and Andreessen Horowitz are indeed forming a consortium to take control of a new U.S. entity for TikTok. This framework could see American investors holding a huge stake, with a new app being tested for U.S. users. We've got the latest on the ownership structure and what it means for TikTok's future stateside. And how is Oracle playing such a key role in all of this? Sources tell CBS News that Oracle could be the crucial bridge for a deal between TikTok and the Trump administration. With commercial terms reportedly agreed upon and China vowing to protect its national interests, this negotiation is a high-stakes game. We're breaking down the complex talks involving Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Chinese Vice Minister of Commerce, Li Chenggang, and what this means for the 170 million American users who love TikTok. Finally, we're looking at how the markets are reacting to all this tech news. We've got the latest stock and futures data to keep you ahead of the curve. Don't go anywhere, and make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update. TikTok's U.S. future hangs in the balance. Oracle, Silver Lake, and Andreessen Horowitz in final acquisition talks. Is TikTok about to get a new owner in the United States? Reports are buzzing that a consortium including tech giants Oracle, Silver Lake, and venture capital powerhouse Andreessen Horowitz are in the final stages of negotiations to buy the U.S. operations of the wildly popular social media platform. This news arrives at a critical juncture, just as a September 17th deadline looms, threatening a U.S. ban if a sale doesn't materialize. While the White House has cautioned against speculation, the intensity of these discussions signals a significant development in the ongoing saga of TikTok's presence in America. The threat of a TikTok ban has been a persistent shadow for years, originating during Donald Trump's presidency with an executive order aimed at forcing ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, to divest its U.S. assets. Though President Biden initially repealed that order, national security concerns, particularly regarding Chinese government access to U.S. user data, have resurfaced. A recent bill signed into law mandated a sale or ban, with a 270-day deadline that has now passed, leading to a temporary blackout earlier this year. With Donald Trump back in office, the pressure for divestment has intensified, with multiple delays pushing the latest deadline to this Wednesday. This potential acquisition by Oracle, Silver Lake, and Andreessen Horowitz could be a lifeline for TikTok's 170 million American users and countless creators. However, questions remain about the extent of ByteDance's influence post-sale and whether the proposed safeguards will truly alleviate U.S. national security concerns. The market is watching closely, with analysts weighing the geopolitical implications and potential impact on the social media landscape. The outcome of these negotiations will undoubtedly shape the future of a platform that has become deeply ingrained in American digital culture. Could this deal redefine big tech's relationship with national security? Stick around as we break down the intricate details and then pivot to another groundbreaking development that's set to reshape the future of AI. Oracle-led consortium, poised to control U.S. TikTok entity amidst deal finalization. Get ready for a major shakeup. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that Oracle is officially part of a consortium, alongside Silver Lake and Andreessen Horowitz, that is finalizing a deal to create a new U.S. entity for TikTok. This isn't just a minor tweak. This framework could see American investors holding a significant 80% ownership stake, with the remaining 20% held by Chinese investors. Sources indicate that U.S. users might need to download a new app, currently being tested by TikTok, and the new entity is expected to feature a largely American board, potentially including a U.S. government nominee. This development comes as President Trump has reportedly extended the deadline for the deal to December 16th, according to Bloomberg. Earlier reports from CBS suggested Oracle's involvement, solidifying its central role in bridging the gap between U.S. regulators and TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. The implications are massive, potentially securing TikTok's future in the U.S. while addressing national security concerns that have plagued the app for years. The exact level of involvement from Chinese firms and control over the crucial recommendation algorithm remain key points of negotiation, especially with President Trump and Chinese President Xi expected to discuss the matter soon. The potential deal has sparked intense discussion among users, creators, and industry analysts. Many are eager to see if this new structure will satisfy U.S. security requirements and allow the platform to continue operating. Others remain cautious, emphasizing the need for transparency regarding ByteDance's continued influence and the algorithm's control. The market is reacting to the news, with investors keen to understand the long-term stability and profitability of this new U.S. TikTok entity. The success of this deal could set a precedent for future cross-border tech acquisitions and international regulatory challenges. This strategic partnership could be a game-changer for social media giants. But what happens when innovation meets the final frontier? We're about to explore a new era of space exploration that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Oracle as the crucial bridge, facilitating TikTok's U.S. survival amidst geopolitical tensions. In a move that could define the future of global tech diplomacy, Oracle is reportedly stepping in as a key facilitator for a potential deal that would allow TikTok to continue its operations within the United States. Sources close to the negotiations reveal that Oracle is part of a consortium of firms poised to enable TikTok's U.S. presence, contingent on the finalization of a framework agreement between the United States and China. The exact structure of this deal remains under wraps, but it is expected to involve multiple companies, raising critical questions about the level of influence Chinese firms, including TikTok's parent company ByteDance, will retain, and who will ultimately control the platform's powerful recommendation algorithm. This development follows a significant legal challenge where the Supreme Court upheld a law requiring ByteDance to divest TikTok's American operations or face a nationwide ban, driven by persistent national security concerns over data privacy and potential Chinese government access. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has indicated that commercial terms have been agreed upon, following meetings with Chinese officials. Conversely, China's Vice Minister of Commerce, Li Chenggang, has stated that China will firmly safeguard the national interests and carry out technology export approval in accordance with relevant laws and regulations. President Trump's executive order delaying the ban by 75 days provided a critical window for these complex negotiations. The potential sale could be a beacon of hope for TikTok's 170 million American users and its vast creator economy, ensuring the platform's continued operation. However, significant uncertainties persist. Critics are vocal about their concerns regarding ByteDance's potential lingering influence and whether the proposed security measures are robust enough to satisfy U.S. regulators and lawmakers. If successful, this divestiture could establish a precedent for foreign tech companies navigating intricate geopolitical landscapes. Conversely, a failure to reach an agreement could lead to a permanent ban, drastically altering the social media ecosystem and impacting millions. The outcome hinges on a delicate balance of regulatory scrutiny, international relations, and corporate strategy, with Oracle's pivotal role underscoring the complex choreography required to keep TikTok accessible in the U.S. market. This intricate dance of diplomacy and technology is truly remarkable, but now, let's shift gears and look at how the markets are reacting to this massive news cycle. Stay with us for the essential financial insights. Market Watch, navigating the data delays and real-time insights. Keeping a pulse on the financial markets requires timely and accurate data, and today's landscape is no different. While most market data, including futures and forex, operates on a 10 or 15-minute delay, Cboe BZX is providing real-time information, offering a crucial edge for traders and investors. This data, powered by bar chart solutions, reflects consolidated market volumes, giving a comprehensive view of trading activity across various exchanges. Understanding these data streams is vital for making informed decisions in today's fast-paced financial world. Whether you're tracking stock movements, analyzing futures contracts, or navigating the forex market, the nuances of data delivery can significantly impact your strategy. The integration of fundamental data from reputable sources like Zacks and Morningstar further enriches the analytical toolkit available to market participants. Investors and traders are constantly seeking to leverage these insights to their advantage. The ability to access real-time or near-real-time data allows for quicker reactions to market shifts and potentially more profitable trades. As the financial world becomes increasingly interconnected, the accuracy and speed of market data remain paramount for success, ensuring that participants can operate with the most up-to-date information available. Stay informed, stay ahead. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your essential tech and market updates. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. We saw Oracle, Silver Lake, and Andreessen Horowitz in final talks for TikTok's U.S. operations, potentially reshaping the social media landscape. We also delved into the intricate details of that potential TikTok deal structure, highlighting the significant American ownership stake. Plus, we explored Oracle's crucial role as a bridge in the negotiations, aiming to keep TikTok alive in the U.S. market. Finally, we gave you the market data you need to stay informed. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more breaking news, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for exclusive content.